G'day and welcome to Aussie Math. In this video we're going to be having a look at how we can do some 4-digit by 1-digit multiplication algorithms. If you haven't seen my video on 2 and 3-digit by 1-digit multiplication, you could go back and check out those before this. Otherwise, let's get into it. Again, with these multiplication algorithms, these really rely on place value. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be multiplying this number by 9, but we're going to be doing it in terms of its parts. So we're going to multiply 0 ones by 9, then we're going to multiply 4 tens by 9, then we're going to multiply the 4 hundreds by 9, and then we're going to multiply the 2000s by 9. Just to make this a little bit easier for me, I'm just going to separate my place values so that it's very clear that we can only have one number in each column. All right, let's start with the ones by 9. So 0 ones times by 9. Well, we know 0 times 9 is 0, isn't it? So we just record the 0 here. Then we have to do 4 tens times by 9. We know 4 times by 9 is 36. So 4 tens by 9 is going to be 36 tens. Let's record the 6 tens with the tens. The 30 tens I'm going to rename as 300s and record it up here with the hundreds. So we've got 300s. Then we're going to do the 400s times by 9. Once again, I know 4 times by 9 is equal to 36. So 400s times by 9 will be 36 hundreds. Plus, we've got these 300s from before, so we've now got 39 hundreds. 36 plus 3 is 39. I'm going to record the 900s with the hundreds, and I'm going to record the 30 hundreds with the thousands. And then the last part of this, I'm going to multiply 2000s by 9. We know 2 multiplied by 9 is equal to 18. So 2000s multiplied by 9 must be, so 2000s multiplied by 9 is going to be 18,000s. Let's record the 8,000s here and the 10,000 there. So we'll put the 8 there and the 10 there. And there's my answer, 18,960. Let's have a look at one more. Just draw in my lines. First one is 1 times by 2 is going to be equal to 2. Nice and easy. Our 3 tens times by 2 is going to be equal to 6 tens. So record that with the tens. My 0 hundreds times by 2. 0 times 2 is 0. So that's going to be 0 hundreds. Remember, it's still important to put the 0 in though, because it holds that place value. And then we've got 1000 multiplied by 2. We know 1 times by 2 is 2. So 1000 multiplied by 2 is going to be 2000s, and we record it with the thousands. There's my answer, 2062. Let's have a look at a couple more. 5 ones multiplied by 5. We know 5 times 5 is 25. I'm going to record the 5 ones with the ones and the 2 tens with the tens. I'm going to multiply these 2 tens by 5. 2 by 5 is 10. Plus 2 more is going to make 12. Recording just one number in each place. Then we're going to multiply the 100 by the 5. 1 times 5 is 5, so 100 times by 5 is going to be 500s. Plus our 100 from before makes 600s, and I'm going to record that with the hundreds. Then I've got 3000s times by 5. 3 times 5 is 15. And I can record it as 15 like that. There's my answer, 15,625. Last one now. This time I'm not going to separate the place values. We've got 4 ones multiplied by 3. That's going to give us 12 ones, recorded like that. We've got 0 tens multiplied by 3. 0 plus 1 more is going to make 1. So I'll record a 1 in the tens place. We've got 9 hundreds multiplied by 3. 9 times 3 is 27. So I'm going to record the 2 up here and the 7 down here. 2 thousands multiplied by 3. 2 times 3 is 6. So we've got 6 thousands plus 2 more. So that's going to make 8 thousands. And I just write that simply in there. And there's my answer, 8,712. And that's how I recommend learning 4-digit by 1-digit multiplication algorithms. If you do anything different, you can let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.